Istanbul Airport Transfer, everything you need to know. Istanbul is a vibrant city that attracts millions of visitors every year. If you are planning a trip to Istanbul, one of the first things you need to consider is how you will get from the airport to your hotel or final destination. Istanbul has two major airports: Istanbul Airport, IST, and Sabiha Gokcen Airport, SA. There are several options for airport transfers in Istanbul. You can take a taxi, use a ride-sharing service, or book a private car service. Taxi services are readily available at both airports, but it's important to make sure you use a licensed taxi to avoid scams. Ride-sharing services like Uber are also popular in Istanbul, offering a convenient and cost-effective way to get to your destination. Another popular option for airport transfers in Istanbul is booking a private car service. These services offer a more luxurious and personalized experience, with the added convenience of having a driver waiting for you at the airport. Many private car services also offer the option to book in advance online, making it easy to arrange your transfer before you even arrive in Istanbul. No matter which option you choose, it's important to plan ahead and research your options to ensure a smooth and hassle-free airport transfer experience in Istanbul. By choosing the right transfer option for you, you can start your trip to Istanbul off on the right foot.